What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video I want to talk about the fact that you don't need this if you're buying this plate loadable weight vest from Kensui, because it already comes with this knob here. You don't need the zero clearance knob. Let me tell you why. So first and foremost, this thing is awesome, right? This is like the perfect height. You can put like 2 plates on top of that. You can see this on the back. It's like the perfect thing, right? So why change it? Well, the idea is that if you're doing push-ups, you might hit the floor with the protruding thingy-wingy. So if you make it flush, you're going to have a smooth sailing when doing push-ups. But I tested that, and it's not how it works. At least not with every plate. So, what I mean, this thing here now hangs pretty flush with my body. If I'm doing push-ups, this thing will sag a little bit and gravity will take its toll on it. With this angling outwards a little bit, what happens is that the plate ends up hitting the floor before the protruding thingy-wingy. Now with the 5 kilogram plate, this thing does hit the floor first and then the plate. But if I'm using my 10 kilogram plate, which we obviously gonna use, the plate hits the floor before this thing here. And 10 kilograms on a weight vest is not that much. We want to go at least at 20 kilograms. So for that, we're going to need our 10 kilogram plate. So this thing will be plenty for you to do all of your exercises. Now, also, this thing here, marketed very nicely because I got trapped into buying it. The problem is that unless you have calibrated plates, you're not gonna be able to use this. If you have bumper plates, forget about this, right? This is too thin. I have a calibrated plate here, boom, and this barely fits. So if you have bigger plates, you can already not use this at all. So is this completely useless? Well, we can't break the product down completely. It has its use cases. Say you're wearing your 10 kilogram plates on either side, you're going for a ruck, and you want to add a coat to your body armor, and then maybe you don't want these things sticking out in your coat, and maybe you want to have something very flush. That could be a potential use case, but again, you need to have calibrated plates for that, because if your plates are too big, you can't thread this thing all the way or thread this thing securely enough. All right, so I got tricked. I mean, I spent 150 euros on this thing, and the threshold for shipping was like, for free shipping was 50 euros, so I was already above that. But what is 25 euros then on a thing that you already buy 150 euros on? And that's the problem, right? We can't let ourselves be tricked. 25 euros is not a lot on 150 euros, but 25 euros in and of itself is a lot of money. So I better not spend it on this thing and just buy other equipment that I might need more. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you got something out of it, and you definitely got something out of it, because now you probably are not going to buy this thing here, but you're going to stick with this thing. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!